Your mama, girl. Ooh.
What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? So today I got a special guest, my grandmother, aka Mama. She is getting her makeup done for the first time by me. So I did her eyebrows off camera. I'm starting out with the Tarte Creaseless concealer in the color Deep Sand, blending that out. So for her eyes today, I'll be using the juvia'splace Warrior palette. First up, starting with the color Kano, just to set that concealer. Next, I'm going in the darker color Mino, just to give her eyes some dimension. And to give my honey some shine, shining, yeah. I'm going in the color Bakwa on her lids, just to give her a gold finish. And for the liner today, we're using Crayon Case Lime Me liner in the color black. I just did a simple thin layer to prep her lids for the lashes I'm putting on. So we wanted to try out some lashes on her, so we did the Ardell lashes. I forgot the name of them, but they're very thin lashes. This was her first time wearing it, so I wanted to start out easy on her, and it looked so good on her. Look at her. Alright, for the face, we're doing a Milk Hydro Grip primer, just the primer face for the foundation. Then we're going into the Fenty Pro Filter matte foundation in the color 440. And to conceal, we're using that same Tarte concealer in the color Deep Sand for her under eyes, her forehead, her chin, her nose, all that good stuff. We're gonna get Mama snatched today, honey. And we're gonna blend. Blending is your friend with makeup. Just remember that. Okay, so to set all the places that I just concealed, we're using the Crayon Case Chalk Dust Setting Powder in the color Y. And to dust off that setting powder, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match press powder in the color C6. Alright, so to contour, we're doing a black Radiance press powder in the color Rich Mahogany, just to snatch those cheekbones. And for blush, we're using the Nars Orgasm X to add some color. Work it, girl. And to highlight everywhere, of course, we're using the Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter on her cheeks, nose, eyebrow bone, and Cupid's bow. And for liner, of course, we're using the Wet n Wild lip liner in the color brown. And for the lips, we are using my favorite, the Crayon Case Clean Kisses lip gloss. It looks so good on her. And to set this masterpiece, we're using the Morphe setting mist, and I'm patting that in to her beautiful skin just to make sure everything stays for the evening. So this is the final look, y'all. Oh my god, I think she looks so pretty. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Also, let me know who y'all want to see next. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye, y'all.